right, so I believe towards the tail end of the cosmetics, a few more things here and there, but my hand controls came in, or I should say the master cylinder and the clutch bracket assembly and some new grips. These grips are brand new too. I had them in, I just put them on temporarily, but yeah, I'll swap those out. And then Mid USA motorcycle parts, St. Louis, Missouri. And bam, so got my chrome accessories right here. Clutch side, this is the brake. So I got a master cylinder right here. I already have the chrome hand controls, so it was just a deal getting it all together. Figured why not, but yeah, these are here. And got the new grips, so Avon grips. Same exact ones, instead of just being black, these are chrome, so I think it'll look cool, but yeah, get these bad boys on, and should be it for right now. So as far as accessories, I wanted to get a toolbox to put right here, just because I don't have anywhere to keep the registration, and you know, I'm not trying to keep it in my pocket. So I got this in the mail today. It's advertised for, let me see if I can flip the back if it's on here. It doesn't really say. Well, on the website itself, it's advertised as, I want to say it only goes to $19.99, so 99 and below, maybe 86 to 99, whatever the case may be. But I figured, I'm like, it looks like it would mount. I can't see like a significant difference from those years as far as like the positioning, and that's just from a visual standpoint. But yeah, so I got the bracket off. That's right here. And as you can see, now we go there, that goes on the bottom. I think it should work. So it's advertised for earlier years or older, however you want to go about it. But yeah, this is from Milwaukee Twins. I think I only paid 100 and some change for it, but it's a pretty cool accessory. In my opinion, I think it's needed. Well, I take that back. Not necessarily needed, but it's nice to have that, because I'm not trying to, like I said, carry my insurance and registration in my pocket or under the seat or whatnot. So having this, throw that in there with whatever else, it should be a little helpful, considering Softails don't have bags. I don't want to throw bags on it because it's a Softail, you know, coming from a Road King. But yeah, so straightforward. Should just be these screws, 3 screws right here that mount this to this, and then I should be able to use my existing hardware. And then, you know, it comes with this. I believe they give you this for, you would still be able to utilize your passenger foot peg, but since I don't have one, I think I can get away with the hardware that I have on there. So yeah, get it mounted up, let you guys know how it looks, and yeah. All right, so right off bat, you get 3 screws, your 3 nylon lock nuts right there. Then you get 2 big washers and 1 lock washer. But the problem is why in the hell is the hole so damn big and the screws provided are so damn small? These holes have been around the block. So yeah, these ones are actually fine, which is weird, but you know, so I don't know. I'm not the smartest man, but Milwaukee Twins have some explaining to do. Yeah, we can't utilize it. And unless I don't know, maybe they're taking into consideration this is for the frame itself or whatever, or the actual bike for the 3 mounting points. But it still doesn't explain why these holes are ginormous. But yeah, I have some washers, so I'll do that, make sure it's covered and whatnot, but yeah. All right, so for the sake of the video, I went ahead and got these in. I have what you call a ghetto washer stack up, so. And this is just for the sake of the video. I'll probably go to hardware store, actually get some hardware that's gonna fit right, but just to give you guys an idea how it would be. Bam, so. That's there. And then you have your mounting points right there. And it should go directly on the bike. Right there, there, and then where your foot peg would be. So right there. So yeah. I got it on, as you can see. Bam, right here. Got that one on. It looks sweet. Open it up, put whatever you need in there, and then yeah, so you got your provided keys. Lock this thing, push in, and bam, lock. Oh shit, take it back. Maybe I had it backwards. Hold on, folks. There we go. Now it's locked. So yeah, I think it's neat. It's cool. Just like the little hardware issue. Nothing major, but still. But yeah, now I have somewhere to throw my paperwork and whatnot. No clearance issues. Yeah.